Here we are, Blizzard Day. Summit Limited, January, oh, who cares, 25th. And we're here in the Multimedia Lab after many, many hours of hard work and devotion. But it's gonna pay off, right? Yay! In New York. If they can actually get there, that is, because of the snow. Anyway, thought I'd give you a few shots as to what's going on outside. I'll show you. This is very unusual for Raleigh. This all happened since last night about, I don't know, 7 or 8 o'clock at night. It's like as much as I think 17 inches of snow. So, as you can see, people speeding along in their four-wheel drives. It's amazing. I think this guy's going to pass him. Yes, he's gaining. He's gaining. Okay, let's see. Fine weather for boating. What the heck are they thinking? Well, I think they just wanted to beat the spring break rush and get their boat out. Okay, that guy's not doing so well. Okay, if all else fails, go forward. I think he's going to have an easier time than the guy in the boat. Don't know exactly how he's thinking about getting out of here. Alright, one minor fishtail. Oh, here's this guy. Going through. Oh, by the way, that's the sidewalk. In case you're wondering. He's actually not driving on the street. And going into the convention center for the world famous Raleigh Winter Boating Festival. Okay. There's that is the convention center, by the way, in case you didn't know that. There's some sort of building that looks governmental. I'm ashamed to say I don't know what it is. Actually, I'm not that ashamed. Those are the roads leading out to the interstate from here. One of the ways you can go. Let's see. Some cars are really, really speeding by there. Let's see. What else we got here? Somebody with lights on somewhere. There we go. Crazy. Nice zoom on this camera. It's pretty far away. Okay, let us go to the other room and see what's going on in there. There's a Macintosh box for my new Mac, which I had to pull the other room. It's a hallway leading that way. Here we are in the Phase 2 area, as we call it. Phase 2 is in, it looks kind of post-apocalyptic right now. Yeah, we're waiting for the real apocalypse, then yeah, we figure we have the look already. We don't need any retrofitting for the apocalypse, because we already have that post-apocalypse vibe happening. Let's see. What's going on? Reminds me of Escape from New York for some reason or another. It has that kind of weird feel. And at least we haven't burned all our books yet, like in Fahrenheit 451. Let's see. More stuff. Okay. Don't ask. Let's see. I do have a tripod, so get away from this Blair Witch shaky camera thing. Not that anybody would ever make fun of that. Let's see. This is, I guess this would be south. Looking south here and see this guy, how he does. Testing the ice. His brake lights are on, I wonder if he's sliding. Hard to tell. Nah, he's okay. Let's see. This is really, really absurd. Oh yeah, by the way, here's a guy that tried to pull into the parking lot. Almost made it. Almost made it. A little further. Okay, let's see if I can get a better shot of him. But I was so close to parking. Okay. I wonder if he's getting charged for that. Do you have to actually cross the threshold to be charged for parking in the lot? Interesting question. He's jamming up the walkway there for other people that might want to park in there. Let's see. Let's go back to the other window. Got a guy skating down there. Sorta. The zombies shuffling along. You ready? Hey guys.
Take that camera out.
Yeah, I shall.
One in a century for us.
I know. Let's see. No, I can't really get you.
You want to go ahead and pick these images?
Yeah.
So get it. Nicole's going to come over there.
Nicole's coming over too.
Probably better to go.
And we are stranded.
You know what I mean?
They're not. They have four-wheel drive. But, staying in the share, can you?
That was fast.
Check out the angle of the icicles going one way, and they're actually going the other way there. Very strange. Okay. Time to burn a CD.
BuyItNow.com and CosmeticsPlus.com are supercharged with Summis's Media Accelerated Access, sculpting the future of e-commerce and e-shopping with Summis pioneered technology. Summis's innovative Max Media suite of tools, including Max Note and Max Show, enables e-tailers to integrate rich media into synchronized online presentations that include video, audio, graphics, and text, creating an interactive and exciting online shopping experience for users. Summis's technology creates smaller files that render faster, enabling the use of rich media to increase sales right now without waiting for the widespread availability of broadband internet access. Summis Limited, Buy It Now, and Cosmetics Plus, shaping information for an active media experience.
And here we are, looking at the aftermath of the aftermath. So I'd show some after footage here. This is, for the record, 1 week. Well, 6 days later, so Monday. And still a bit of snow, but as you can see, mostly just water now, although it's still a crazy commute in this morning, as it was still icy from the rain yesterday. And that is it. Not too much left. Let's get a shot of the road heading out of Raleigh there. So, there's a bit of snow cover still on that.